In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy channel link on Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a channel's URL, plus a few related copying options that are handy when you're sharing or organizing your workspace. Start by opening Slack in your web browser or the desktop app. If you see multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one. On the left sidebar, look for your list of channels. To make things easier, click Public to filter and focus on channels that anyone in the workspace can see. This keeps the list simple while we walk through the process. Here's the first method, which is quick if you're already looking at the channel list. Find the channel you want to share in the sidebar, right-click the channel name. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. From the menu that appears, choose Copy. You'll see several options under that. First, there's Copy Name. This puts the channel's name, including the hashtag, on your clipboard. It's useful when you need the exact channel label for documentation or a message. Next is Copy Link. This is the one most people want. It copies the direct URL to that channel so you can paste it into a message, a document, or a ticket. You'll also see Copy Huddle Link. That grabs a link to start or join a huddle associated with the channel, which is helpful for quick audio discussions. Finally, there's Copy Channel Email Address. Each channel can have a unique email address you can forward messages to, which is great for workflows like sending tickets or alerts straight into Slack. When you're done reviewing those options, click on an empty space to close the menu so it doesn't cover your screen. Now let's look at the second method, which you'll use when you already have the channel open. Click into the channel so you see its conversation. In the top area of the channel, open the three dots menu. From there, select Copy, then you'll see the same choices as before. Copy Name is perfect for pasting the channel's exact label elsewhere. Copy Link is the direct URL to share the channel itself. Copy Huddle Link gives you that instant meeting style link. Choose what you need. While you're in that menu, it can be helpful to select Open Channel Details to view information like the description, topic, and members. That's not required to copy a link, but it's good context if you're making sure you've got the right place. Next, let's switch to a different channel to repeat the process, just so you can see it end to end again. Click another channel in your sidebar to open it. In the top area, click the three dots, choose Copy, and then pick Copy Link. With the link copied, open a new browser tab, paste the URL into the address bar, and press Enter. This is a great way to confirm you've captured the correct link. Depending on your device and settings, Slack may prompt you to open it in the app or in your browser. Choose to open this link in your browser so you can confirm that it takes you right to the channel. Remember, anyone you share the link with will still need the right permissions to view a private channel, and they'll need to be part of the workspace to see content. That's it. You now have two reliable ways to copy a Slack channel link, right from the sidebar with a quick right click, or from the channel header using the three dots menu. Along the way, you also learned about copying the channel name, a huddle link for quick calls, and the channel's email address for automated forwarding. Paste the link wherever you need it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.